Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-27, the boiler superheater coil pipe part 2. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-27, the boiler superheater coil pipe part 2, which will go on this one. I think it might be here, but I'm not too sure. So I'll show them that one, continue on. So let's open up part MMGS template. Now this piece is going to go straight, curve, straight a little bit, curve, then straight. On the top view, and the side view is going to go straight past the second curve, then it's going to go down at angle, straight, angle, then curve and straight. And there's seems to be a lot of measurements missing, but let's see what we can do. So let's go, not top view, sketch. Now we just do line, don't do construction. Okay, so we've got, going to start here. It's going to be straight, curve, straight, curve, straight, and then this way it curves down. So I just do this one straight, but I'm going to turn that one into a construction line because I don't want that one rendered. I just want that one for reference. Okay, so overall, from this point to this point is 126. Let me go full screen, thank you. So from this point to this point is 47.6, and yes, this time they're actually measuring in the center of the curve, which is nice. Okay, so this point here is actually 20. 20. Thank you. Now this curve here is 14. 14. Now, I think it doesn't measure, but it looks the same. This one here probably is 14 as well. There's no what measurement this is. Let me get there. So that's still movable, yeah. Oh, hold on. So if we go smart dimension from this point to where this curve start is going to be 54. Does that lock it in? Okay, that locks it in. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let me put that one that way. That one that way. Okay, so that locks that in. That is good. So now we want to go side view. So X out of that. So it goes, turns, slopes like an angle, then slopes. So it's going to be 45, I'm guessing. It looks like, because it looks, yeah, 45. So it doesn't say that, but both angles are the same. So we want to go to top view, nope. Right view, nope. Front plane. Actually, no, we don't. I do a plane. I want a plane on there. So if we go reference plane, we click one on there. If we click that one, that's what we want. Because I want that plane there, because I want to draw down there. So perfect. Input isn't correct. What do you mean? Third reference. Can't come no reference because she's not valid. Delete that one. Delete that one. Actually, hold on. This one reference might do it. Nope, didn't like that one. Oh, let's do. No, see, I don't want going that way. I don't want it going that way. Actually, hold on. Exit out of that one. Go back into this one. Do a construction line from there to there. Perfect. Make sure that is 90 degrees, which it is. That's good. Good. Now, if we go to plane, if I click that point and that reference, bingo. That is what I want. So that line there is just for setting up the plane. So click on that plane, go to normal 2. Doesn't matter which side it is. Actually, let me go that way. That's the way I'm looking at the plane. But you draw it either way. It's going to be the same either side, so that's fine. And sketch. Okay, so now we've got line. So that was straight. So okay, won't draw. Let's go out there for a minute. Touch that curve, but on that 45. Straight. Curve. Straight. Okay. Let me delete that one. Let me join those two together. There we go. Now. So that one and that one will be. Nope, that didn't work too well. Easy. Just do measurement again. That one will be. Oh, no. It's not easy to do measurement. Oh, hold on. We're straight. Oh, that. Hold on. That curve there's too long. Oh, it's not 20 to there. That's 20 to the length, not there. Oh. Oh, God, yeah. That's wrong. Because that's 22 before it starts curving down, not that's 20 straight piece I just put in. Ah, man. Let's go to measurement. That point to that point is going to be 10. I'm just looking at it, I'm just judging by the scale of it. That part there looks half on there. I'm just judging pen fits perfect in 1 and fits perfectly pretty much close to it in 2. So let's try that 10. Okay, let's go to normal 2 on that one. Nope, the other way around. This is why I'm working on it. So sketch. Okay, let me delete that one. Actually, I need that. So from there to there is going to be 54 minus 10, which is 44. Whoop, what did happen? There we go. That was weird. So that's 44. Perfect. Lines up there. Perfect. Okay, so now let's just see whether these are 14. But before we do, let me do a construction line. Straight down there. We do smart dimension from there to there. It's going to be 45. That one's going to be, okay, smart dimension. Yeah, smart dimension, thank you. That's going to be tangent. There we go. Now, let's see if we put these at 14. Let's see what happens there. Go that way. 14. 14. Locks in. Oh, that's got to be 20. I haven't done that one yet. That's fine. So if I go 20, doesn't lock it in. What's not locked in? I can't. Oh. Hold on. That one there. Let me go center line or construction line. That one will now be tangent. That's locked in. There we go. So it's straight, curve, a little bit straight, curve, straight, curve, straight, curve, straight. Oh, straights and curves. Okay, this is, it's going to be the same actually, the other one, which was 12 and 9, I believe. Yeah, 12 and 9. Okay. So, get out of that one. Okay, so we want to put circle there. So, front. Okay, what have we done here? That point, there we go. Now I've got the right one. So, sketch. Circle. Circle. I know they're bigger than it should be, but that's fine. Never hurts to go a bit bigger. Oh, come on. Thank you. That's going to be 9. And that's going to be 12. And done. Done. Thank you. Now let me just hide that plane. Just tie things up and hide that plane. There we go. Now we want to go loft. We want that one. And that one. Oh, why didn't it go full thing? That's not joined? Let's try something. Let me just go over that a minute. That one not joined. Okay, let me go into... Oh, wrong one. Not that one. That one. Normal 2. Sketch, thank you. Do I need that? Let me just delete that one. That could be stuffing things up. Okay, now that's all set. I know it's not fine, but... Let me just try something. See if this works. Hasn't worked before, but let's see if it works this time. Let's go this end. Point there, done. That plane, sketch, 2 circles. Yeah, should be able to do the whole thing. So I've done something not quite right, I believe, which is not unusual. Hey, make mistakes, so then we learn from, right? Okay, so now let's go. Oh, hold on. Sweet boss. That one. And that one. Actually, that may have worked this time. Actually worked. Because normally I've got a gap in there. I've done that before, so... Okay, that one's worked. I will accept that. I will accept that. Excellent. Okay, let's put some copper on there. And that's done. Yeah, that's done. We might have to do some adjustments later on. This gets soldered on to the other piece I showed at the beginning. That's why I showed that one. So let me just have a quick look down. Ah, no, it actually gets soldered in the center section. So this actually goes up. So okay, this piece here gets soldered on that part, the inner tube. Okay, so cool. Cool. Too easy. Okay, that's part 3-27, the boiler superheater coil pipe part 2. Done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you all subscribers, appreciate it. Leave any comments, always happy to learn. That's the idea I started this, was I learn, you learn. We learn from each other. So thank you very much. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.